video, we are going to do a full face of makeup using samples. Now, we all receive these kind of samples when we order from Sephora. I was going through my makeup drawers and I noticed that I had an entire box full of just samples, and I'm like, WTF, I need to use these before they go bad and disgusting. I'm gonna try to get creative with the eyes because I don't have any eyeshadow that's considered sample size. I kind of want to get creative with these Cover FX click stick thingies because they have like darker colors. First, I'm gonna start off with this Josie Maran Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. Smooth this down and open it. A really good amount of product. I'm probably gonna have to rub it down to my neck. Okay, so it has a really nice texture to it. It seems super hydrating. It has more of a balm type texture instead of a moisturizer, because moisturizer has a little bit more of like a thinner consistency. This is definitely a lot more thick and it just feels really hydrating. I'm super impressed with this. My skin just feels super hydrated. My skin's been trash lately, which has just been driving me nuts, and I'm trying to get it back together. But yeah, I have a lot of breakouts right now. I don't know what's happening. My skin feels slightly tacky to the touch, so I feel like it's really going to be nice for when we go into the foundation because it'll adhere better. I really enjoy that so far. Now we're going to go into the Pore Vanishing Stick from Estee. It literally just feels like a little balm stick. That's so cute! And it has like a skin tone color in the center. I always like to drag my primers underneath my eye. I don't like to cake it up under there, but I like to drag just a smidge, like the residue, so that my under eyes look flawless as well. Wow. I'm really impressed with that as well. I was not expecting this to go that well, but so far both products I've really enjoyed. I don't even think they make this Estee Edit thing anymore. Go figure. Moving on to foundation. So this is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and this is a 24-hour wear. We have cashmere, toffee, natural, and hazelnut. They give a lot of products too. There's a lot in there. I'm gonna try to mix natural and toffee together. This is the Amazing Cosmetics concealer, and they have over 20 different shades, which is really nice to have such a range for concealer. I think I'm gonna go with this middle shade, which is medium beige for the under eyes, and then I'm gonna go in with this darker shade, which is dark caramel, to contour. Oh, okay, so it's really, really thick, but it has a really nice glow to it, so it might be full coverage but hydrating at the same time. I love the glow that it gives the skin. Whew! I really like that. Concealer is nice. I really like that. It's so glowy and it works all over the face too. We're gonna go into the Cover FX Click Sticks. So with these you can pick like 2 different colors and you can put them in the same tube. Golden Peach I'm gonna use on the cheeks. So freaking pretty. It's so glowy and natural on the skin. Oh! Woo! I am loving that. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Bubbly, which is more of like a golden as my highlighter. Wow, that looks really pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to use this highlighter one in my eyes, mix it with the blush color. I'm going to take some of this dark concealer, the dark caramel, and I'm just going to put the very small amount on my lid. I'm going to go into the Cover FX Enhance colors again and place this right in the center. Then I'm going to go into this powder from Lancome. Peel this back. And I'm going to set my under eye. Wow, that's a nice powder. It actually does a good job of blurring out the skin. Apply this little Chanel sample mascara. I did like a little bit of a wing with that mascara. I haven't done a wing in so long. So now I'm just going to take this Tarte Energy Lip Surgence lip gloss. That completes this video. Holy cannoli, I really liked most of the stuff that I've tried. The only thing I didn't like was the foundation because it didn't really do much for my skin. But having everything else on the face, it actually looks a hell of a lot better with everything else on top of it instead of by itself. I did not expect this to go that well. I'm really excited that it did. That was super fun. I think I want to continue doing these kind of videos on my channel because I think that it is just so much fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I hope that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later.